Oh. That's it. I'm out.
What's going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one.
That feel good. Woo! Oh my God. I didn't know it was gonna be like that. Okay. I wanna cry. You're so silly. No, I'm for real, man. Like, ooh.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. This is crazy. How you know? Oh my God. It was already cracking before it was good. Oh. That's all I could do.
Push your knees together. Push hard.
Did you pop? OMG! I'm like, what was that? It's a good loose. It feels good though. Like you gonna breathe? It was all right here. I'm emotional. Right? Yeah. It just feels good, like, man. Y'all don't understand. I'm good. That was the one. That was the one. Right there. Yeah.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God. That, I thought the other one was the one. That was the one, man. I think that made the whole back like back in place. Why you heard that? That was, I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm good. That was the one though. That was the one. I can't believe I heard that.